So welcome students. In this question, the word Sachin is given to you. Now, the words formed by interchanging the letters of the word Sachin are arranged in a dictionary alphabetically. So when you arrange all the words in a dictionary, you're asked to find the rank of the word Sachin. So how do we get this? If I want the rank of the word Sachin, so all the words are arranged in a dictionary. That means obviously they're arranged in alphabetical order, right? So if you want to find the rank of Sachin, first you need to understand the alphabetical order of the letters in the word Sachin. So let us write the letters in alphabetical order. First A comes, after that C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and lastly you get S. Now, when you arrange the words in a dictionary, so first all the words that are starting with A will get completed, right? Because A is the first word alphabetically, so all the words starting with A gets completed before you get to the words starting with S. So how many words are there which start with A? If A is fixed in the first place, the remaining 5 letters can be arranged in these 5 places in 5 factorial ways, that is 120 ways. Now, the words starting with C also get completed before S, right? So there are these 120 words also gets completed. Similarly, the words starting with H get completed, the words starting with I gets completed, the words starting with N gets completed. And for each word there will be 120 arrangements. So now, before the first word starting with S, once all the words starting with N are completed, then comes the word starting with S. So now once the word started with S, so all these 600 words have been completed before. Now the word starting with S comes. So what is the first word starting with S? So once the word is starting with S, now alphabetically once S is used, the next letter will be A. And I want SA. Next, after A, you get C. So what is the first word that you get in alphabetical order once it starts with S? S, and all the letters will come alphabetically. S, A, C, H, I, N, right? So that's the first word in alphabetical order starting with S. So now once all these words are completed, the immediate next word is Sachin. So Sachin's rank will be 601. Option D is the right answer. Thank you.